Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 177 for Monday, 17th of March, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember that you are responsible for your own trading decisions. We have, there we've just had a look at aviation, but it's not just aviation that's troubling. This is CCL Carnival, all right? Carnival, the cruise line, okay? So, cruise line company. Well, for those of you who remember going back, I started this in during the time of lockdown in .com, which is effectively almost like it's 5 years, isn't it? March, it's 5 years, and the share price of Carnival it collapsed, absolutely collapsed, and stuff. You can go back and take a look at that yourself. And here we even see lows of a few years ago here, okay, around about sort of $7 there. But slowly but surely, it kind of ground its way up. All right, I wouldn't exactly say it's the most beautiful of trends, but it has ground its way up, and like most of these companies, had a good sort of second half of 2024, but then basically peaked its way out just under $29. And look at last week, the last couple of weeks, these kind of, I'd say, it's not just aviation that's been hit by Doge. I think those kind of people's worries about the economy, you can see even into cruise lines. Okay, if you feel like the economy's struggling a bit, are you going to be going out splashing on expensive cruises? My suggestion would be no, but I'm sure other people would differ. But you can see from 29, okay, at the start of the year, we're here at 20. And once again, just look at it, you've got the big round number of 20 there. You've also got the weekly 50. See how it's kind of provided a bit of dynamic support there. So the thing is to see this week, does this actually provide us with sport? Because on Friday, before the open on Friday, Carnival have their earnings. Okay, so as I said, might be one to just take a watch on this week. And there are a few earnings going on this week, not as big as some of the others, but there's still you've got Micron, Nike, FedEx, etc. So there's still some interesting companies to take a look at there. But as I said, just watch how this is basically playing out around the 50-period moving average. Does it continue to act as support? Okay. Does 20, big round number 20, continue to act as support? Okay. In which case, I think we get a relief rally up to about 23. And that's one scenario. Or if, those numbers are poor, well, I'd say we're down to about 17, down to that weekly 200. So as I said, you might just want to add that to your watch list and see how that particularly plays out.